Hi, welcome back to part 2, where I'm going to tackle the eyes. I'm just trying to flatten some areas to form the eye socket and the cheek's bones simultaneously. I've been doing this so wrong. That's why I usually end up with some crazy big eyes on my characters. Like these. But I've watched some videos, and a good way to proportion your character's eyes is to measure your face with 5 eyelids width from the widest part of your character's head, which is usually the top back of the head. And that's going to tell you the width and place of the eyelids. Make sure to place the cylinder's origin in the middle, so you can snap them to the cursor to center it to the character's head. Then change your pivot's point to the cursor to scale it to the head. Sculpting eyes in Blender typically are very trying times for me. Took me a minute to get where I got. But it's all about fresh perspective though. A very useful trick is to not spend all your time trying to finish them at once. It's very important to move to another part of the face if needed, and come back to them with a fresh pair of eyes. Another trick I learned is to start with the eyes close, so you can test the proportion before moving on. And to get the right size of the eyes, you gotta fit 6 to 7 eye across the head, similar to the eyelid trick. While I'm doing this, I realized that it's better to define the cheekbones before moving on to the eyes, because the cheekbones help you define how far forward the eyes go. I had to start all over again because I couldn't get it the way I wanted. That's all for this part, folks. I'll see y'all in the next one.